Hello Marathon family, hope you guys are good. Yesterday I got a query that, Mr. Karim, if my ID gets lost and I don't report it and I just wait for it to expire, can I get a new visa again? No. First of all, what you need to do is as soon as you lose your Emirates ID, make sure you go to the nearest police station and file a lost report. Because in case your ID is found somewhere else, in a place where it's not supposed to be, you'll get in trouble. So make sure first thing you do is go to the police station and make a report that you lost your ID. One. Second, even if you see this is just a plastic card, like an ID is a plastic card, but actually a visa that you have, a resident visa. Emirates ID is a resident visa which is connected to the system. So even if your ID expires, the date of birth says like for example 27 or 26 or 25 and it expires, don't just think that it expires and you get a new visa. No, you have to get the cancellation in order for you to apply a new visa. Then the most important thing, if you are outside UAE, it will be a challenge for you to cancel your visa or get a new ID. Make sure you're always inside UAE because you're handling your visa issues of your ID. Please share this information with your friends also. That's it in the next video. Till then, much love, peace, and as always, God bless Africa. One love.